Mm, Hi friends, welcome to Factorial Health. Today I am going to teach you how you can get relief from migraine pain. These days, this problem became third most common problem in the worldwide. So let's start. For the first exercise, sit down, take a deep breath and relax. Then raise your hands and cross your fingers like this and put them at the back of your head just like what I am doing here. Now with your palms push the back of your head. Try to not move your head. We will do this for 10 seconds. Now we will do the same for the front side and cross your fingers. Again, put them on the top of your forehead and press it for 10 seconds. Again, try not to move your head, just like what we did for the back side. Now we will do this 5 times for the back side and 5 times for the front side. Back side, front side, back side, front side, back side, front side, back side, front side, back side, front side. Friends who watching us suffering from serious head injury, don't do this exercise. Now we will move to the next exercise. This one is also helpful for your neck. First, sit down and look straight. Now slowly rotate your head just like I am doing in the video. Just slowly move your head. At first, start from right to left and then left to right. But one thing to note that do this slowly, just like what I am doing here. If you don't do this slowly, it will increase your pain. We will do this 20 times, 10 for clockwise and 10 for anti-clockwise. And you are done. Friends watching us who have spondylitis, you guys may want to do this more as it's also helpful for spondylitis. Now let's go and see third exercise. First, deep breathe in. Place your right hand at the right side of your head, just like I am showing here. Press it with the palm of your hand while keeping your head steady. Hold it for 10 seconds. Then change your hand and keep your left hand at the left side of your head. And again press it with your palm. Then keep your head steady. Hold this for 10 seconds with continuation of deep breath in and breath out technique. Well done. Just like others ones, we will also do this 6 times alternatively. 3 for the left side and 3 for the right side. Well done. We have successfully completed this exercise. We are done all the exercise for today. Now I will give a small tips that will help you to concentrate on sleeping by keeping your mind calm. Before doing this, first go to a dark and noise-free room. Take a comfortable posture as you prefer. Then relax yourself with slowly breathe in and breathe out. After feeling relaxed, then chant Om. It's help to sleep and remove your all stress. That's it for part 1. For knowing more interesting and helpful tips, subscribe and like our channel. We will come in few more tips and exercise in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Like it if you like it, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.